Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. My name is Junaid Shahid. In the last video, we have covered up the Azure deployment of our ASP.NET Core application. In this video, we are going to cover up three concepts. The first, open the registration for any user, because in the last video, we have implemented the identity to secure our site and to avail the user's registration to open world. And now we are going to deploy that in this video. So in the last video we have removed the registration from application due to some errors, and in this video we are going to deploy the registration of the application so anyone can register without email verification. This is the concept one. The second concept is that anyone can add the post into the live application. Third, the approved posts are available in the home page, only the last 10. Why approved? Because I'm giving up it to you, so you can enjoy the application. You can sign up, then you can add pages, add posts, and do CRUD operations. So for safety, I will add the check of is published or is approved check. So no one can add the vulgar post in the live application until I will approve. Then what happened in the next video, we will continue from here and see how many users are get registered, or maybe no one get registered, so we can approve it a little bit more one step and then create a single post view page. So whatever the post we will add in the home page can be open in a separate window as a separate full-fledged post where we can read all the details of that post. But now in the home page we have just a limited content available, like a metadata or meta description available, not whole post available. So the whole post will be available in the separate window regarding their own metadata and description and all that stuff available in a separate window as a new post. So we will add that in the next video. Also, we will add that in this video that who have created this video, the username of the creator is also associated with the post, so we can see who have created the article in the application. Let's see in this video. So this is our code, and it is the registration page. We came to here and uncomment the whole code, comment this line login redirect, and then comment these lines which are email verification. And now what happened, anyone can register into the application without email verification. As soon as new registered user registered successfully, redirected to login these pages. Okay, so it's mean he have logged in successfully. We have executed the application. Now what happened, I try to redirect to some backend pages and it's lead me to here because I have successfully logged in with the name of new user. Right now here it's showing that the admin name, and this is the fake data. What we have to do, we will show the name of the login user sooner, but what I do, I will simply remove my cookies, so session will automatically expire, and now I have to log in or either register into the application. Anyone can register and log in into the application. So what I will do, I will write at fake email and register into the application. Okay, now we are successfully registered and I am logging into the application. I will go to the pages or in the post, click on all the posts, and each post which I will add here will be reflected on the home page. Okay, so for example, I will add a new post. I am new user. and then without selecting these category or blah 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 stuff, is public and create, and a new post is created here. I go to here and refresh the page, and you can see a new post is generated with these hashtag and categories, and there is no image and there is no content and like this stuff. Okay, and this is the fake data, but this is the date is not fake, but these are the fake data. So you can create post in this application by just registering, and anyone can register. This is the second thing. The third thing is that I am going to add a security check here, so no one can upload the vulgar post, because I am going to upload this on Azure and it is publicly accessible, and all my YouTube viewers can log in into the application, check all the stuff, suggest us what changings you need and what things make this solution more happier and more comfortable for you as a content management system. Because in the future we are going to add real-time chatting and forum stuff here, so it will be a semi-social application where anyone can post, where anyone can chat, add friends, and all that stuff we are going to implement in this solution. But for now I will add a check that only specific posts can be uploaded. You can upload the data here, you can delete the data from here, no problem in that, but the data you will upload will only available when I will approve. So I will add a flag in the backend. So how I will do that? I will go to the pages controller. Okay, and okay, sorry, not pages, post models, and here I will add a migration that only specific posts can be created. So I will go into the not in the post DTO, I will go into the actual model. Okay, and here we will add a flag. Is approved. Simple, this flag. Now I will add the migration for this, so it will take place in the database. Then I will update my database, so the code and database gets synced, and whenever you will add a post, by default is approved is false. And what I will do, I will make sure in the home page that only specific data will be available which is approved, so unapproved data will not be available. Okay, okay, so it is saying that alter table drop column failed because the name column does not exist in this table. Okay, so I have to remove this name from this table, or it can be. So simply I just remove this, I just remove this, and now I will update my database. After the migration complete, we will go to the, as you can see, no error occur now, so it's done. Now go to the home controller, and where we have post, so we are getting post from here. So what we will do is public true and is x dot is approved is equal true. So only that post will be available who is approved by me, and unfortunately you don't have access to the database, so you cannot do that manually. You can upload that in the system, but that cannot be available on the home page. So I will see it in the next video, and I will add roles, so the specific roles users can do this stuff, and we will add email verification stuff, so only the verified user can publish the post, so they are accountable regarding their publishing, and we will take look over them. Okay, the second step is also done. The posts are secure. We have done registration, we have done the post, so the posts are secure on the home page. Okay, now the third thing was we have to show the latest 10 posts to be there, and it is by default done. Okay, now what we will do, if you will review once again what actually happened when you log in, the dummy name is available on the right top as a hello admin or howdy admin. Let's change that name with the login user email, so anyone who have login into the application get to know that okay, I am a part of the application. So we are going to change this howdy admin, and how we can do that, we go to the layout. First we go to the layout, shared, and this is the layout, and here we will search howdy, and here you can see this is the howdy, this is the dummy page which we have to remove. Okay, avatar is good. Okay, instead of the admin we will reflect the name of the login user, and for this purpose we have to do a long work which we have to do, and that's called the views dependency injection. So we are going to implement views dependency injection in the next video. So right now, as you can see, we don't have any kind of dependency injection in the startup for views. It is a newly introduced concept by the ASP.NET Core, which give you power to inject your classes into views. So we will implement that in the next video, which is view dependency injection. And after that, we are able to change the name of this, or we can implement the main configuration over the whole application. Like you want to show the name of the application, who is login, what is the name, role, etc, etc. All this kind of stuff can be done by the view dependency injection, which we are going to cover in the next video. I thought I will do that in this video, but it will get longer, so to make it concise and short, this is the part of the view dependency injection. This is also the part of the view dependency injection. What we can improve in this video, we can do the post stuff, because if you see the post, we have content here like this, and title is very small. So what we do, we will remove the content from here. So we will go in this controller, which is this, go to the list and remove the comment out the content portion from here, and also comment out the content portion from here. Now if we will refresh the page again, it will look nicer. So what we need to do, we need to make it data table. So we go to the pages controller or pages view, index, and here we can see we have these three files, which we're gonna copy and paste here. And then there is a small script, which is this, copy, and we can paste here to post table, and right now for our sake of time comment this because we didn't have implement the Ajax space delete. So add ID here, and that's enough. Now when you refresh the page, it will convert it into the data table, which look nicer. Okay, we have a lot of work to implement in this project. We have to change the URLs, we have to generate the SEO friendly URL slug, then we have to work on the individual post. Then there are a lot of concepts which we have to implement: real-time chatting, timeline like Facebook and other stuff. So to be connected with us, so you will get a latest news and update on this repository. You can fetch this from GitHub, and you can also implement your own ideas in this solution and to make this the world best CMS. So in this video you have learned that we have opened the registration feature, we have improved the posting stuff, we have added the data table in the post so it will be look nicer, we have removed the content thing so it will be optimized page, and we have added the is approved check so no one can post vulgar content on the live application if he have access to the application. You can delete the content which is available on the website, but you cannot add the content on the website. You have to approve that from me. So it is just a dummy project, but for the safer edge we have is approved. From the next videos, when we will add the roles and permission stuff, you have permission or anyone have permission to upload the content after verifying the email. So the person who have uploaded the content is liable to that, or liable to the authorities of the cybercrimes and other stuff to post any kind of vulgar and prohibited content. So keep tuned with us. Don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. If you have any kind of question regarding this, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe it. Take care. Bye bye.